Today marks the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of independent India. Pandit Nehru, who was born on November 14th, was fondly called Chacha Nehru due to his love for children. Pandit Nehru said that the children of today will make the India of tomorrow. The way they bring them up will determine the future of the country. During his regime, he advocated for children to have compulsory education and was very vocal about their rights. He believed in the ideology that children are the future of the nation, and so it is crucial to nurture and educate them properly.
I close my eyes and I can see a world that's waiting up for me, that I call my own. Through the dark, through the door, through where no one's been before, but it feels like home. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I've lost my mind. I don't care, so call me crazy. We can live in a world that we design. 'Cause every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make. There's a house we can build. Every room inside is filled with things from far away. Special things I compile, each one there to me.
The child arrives like a mystery box with puzzle pieces inside. Some of the pieces are broken or missing, and others just seem to hide. But the heart of a teacher can sort them out and help the child to see the potential for greatness she has within, a picture of what she can be.
Her goals isn't just to teach knowledge by filling the box with more parts. It's putting the pieces together to create a work of art. The process is painfully slow at times. Some need more help than others. Each child is a work in progress with assorted shapes and colors.
First, she creates a classroom where the child can feel safe in school, where he never feels threatened or afraid to try, and kindness is always the rule. She knows that a child can achieve much more when he feels secure inside, when he's valued and loved and believes in himself, and he has a sense of pride.
She models and teaches good character and respect for one another, how to focus on strengths, not weaknesses, and how to encourage each other. She gives the child the freedom she needs to make choices on her own, so she learns to become more responsible and is able to stand alone.
She's taught to be strong and think for herself. As her soul and spirit heal, and the puzzle that's taking shape inside has a much more positive feel. the child discovers the joy that comes from learning something new, and a vision grows as she begins to see all the things she can do. A picture is formed as more pieces fit an image of the child within, with greater strength and confidence, and a belief that she can win.
All because a hero was there in the heart of a teacher who cared, enabling the child to become much more than she ever imagined or dared. A teacher with a heart for her children knows what teaching is all about. She may not have all the answers, but on this she has no doubt. When asked which subjects she loved to teach, she answered this way and smiled. It's not the subjects that matter, it's all about teaching the child.
We hope to continue bringing in joy in your life with lots of love. You are God's gift to us at Villa Teresa School. May God continue to shower His countless blessings on you always. Happy Children's Day! Wishing you a very happy Children's Day to all the students. You are all special in some way, and we are all proud of you.